Ladies and gentlemen, switching to our COVID-19 numbers, we have tested 3,255 samples in the last 24 hours. 133 people have tested positive. This is the number, again, a repeat number of the number we got yesterday. The cumulative number of tests conducted so far is 121,956, nearly 122,000, with a total load in the country of 3,860. All the positive Kenyans, all the positive cases are Kenyans, with 88 being male and 45 being female. This trend has continued throughout the reports that we have made, and we need to understand why so many